Hi guys, it's Mrs. Salzetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work if you missed either 9:28 or 9:29, so that's Monday 9:28 or Tuesday 9:29. You need to go to your Google Classroom and of course go to classwork. Once you're in classwork, you should be at week 7 at the top, and then go to the date that you missed. So whether it's 9:28 or 9:29 for the B day, it should be labeled Netforce. Once you get here, you're going to start with the Pear Deck. It says we're going to continue learning about Netforce using Pear Deck. So you would go ahead and click on here. It says sign in. And this will take you to your Pear Deck. So you're going to rate how you feel. And you've done a Pear Deck before probably. So just go through here and answer the questions. They're Netforce calculation problems. Make sure you answer all of them. Even if you're not sure, at least try. This is based on participation. So make it all the way through the slideshow. There should be about 10 slides. Once you're done, you can go ahead and exit out. And you'll go to the Netforce Google form. It's called Calculating Netforce. Now this is, you have to be very specific with the way that you write your answers here. So the first thing you need to do is put your email address. You're going to put your full name first and last. And then you'll start seeing the problems. So this first one says, Michael and Andrew are pushing a desk across the room. To be funny, Michael decides to push against Andrew instead of with him. Michael, which is over here to the right, you see Michael, he's pushing with a force of 30 newtons. So Michael's coming from the right, but he's pushing towards the left. So this arrow is pointing towards the left with 30 newtons. Andrew's going to the right with 28 newtons. And so you would need to do your problem and write your answer here. What is the net force of the image above? Now it's very important that you only write a number. If you're going to write the n, it will say that it's wrong. So it says must be a number equal to 2. So it has to be 2. And then it will be okay. Okay, you just have to take away the n. And don't put a decimal point either. Well, actually it does let you do the decimal point, so that's okay. So you can do 2 or you could do 2.0 and it still works. And then it says which way will the decimal move? So you're going to pick left or right or it won't move at all. And so go through all these questions. These are graded. They're going to be 10 points each. And it should tell you your grade when you're done. If you have any questions or concerns, then you can always comment. So once you're done with that, you submit it. You did your Pear Deck. You did your Google form. Then you can go over here and view the assignment. And then up on the top right for you, we'll have a Turn It In button. Okay? Comment with any questions or concerns.